The Johnsons' road to the perfect family weekend was paved with optimism, inspired by that ancient family tradition, organized competition disguised as democracy. The rules were simple. Each family member pitches their dream activity in 30 spirited seconds. The winner gets both bragging rights and prime scheduling. It's part Survivor, part Shark Tank, 100% chaos. The cast: Mark, the compulsive itinerary maker convinced the sunrise waits for nobody; Sarah, master of squeezing magic from ordinary moments and reigning queen of family board games; 10-year-old Lily, already lobbying UNICEF for a passport emoji; and Ben, aged 7, stalker of all things edible who once licked every free sample in Whole Foods. After an hour's drive serenaded by Ben's playlist, pop, dinosaurs, screaming, the road trip gods threw the script out the now steaming window. Mark pleaded, "I followed the GPS," as steam billowed and Sarah considered yoga breathing behind the hazard lights. The Johnsons surveyed their predicament. Mark pantomimed Macedonian folk dance to keep spirits up, Sarah declared, plot twist, and the children built a gravel stone city complete with a stick zoo. Squint and you'd call this bonding. Enter Mateo, patron saint of stranded tourists, who approached like a mechanic crossed with Mary Poppins. With a universal smile and a toolbox of destiny, Mateo diagnosed the Johnsons as a hose clamp away from rejoining society. As he fixed the car, he dished out hot local secrets: a family-run zip line, a tamale market unseen by social media, and a sunset spot that definitely wasn't TripAdvisor approved. "Skip the main road," Mateo advised. "The long way is where the good stuff hides." Mark, delirious with relief, almost tried to Venmo him, but Mateo vanished with a wave and a twinkle, possibly an actual wizard. At sunrise, with Plan B glowing like papaya in their rearview mirror, the Johnsons camped in a humming plaza for their official 30-second pitches. Mark brought pure drama. "Ziplining, it's perspective plus near-death experience." Sarah countered, "Cooking class with Chef Anna, memories that taste like mole and success." Lily softly championed, "Kayaks at dawn, like nature Netflix, but real life." Ben, channeling a tiny Gordon Ramsay, issued a challenge. "Everyone gets $5 for street food, winner picks dinner, loser does dishes." The pitches crackled. Passion, suspense, a surprising number of food metaphors. The vote, a nail-biter. Sarah's cooking class won, perhaps because everyone subconsciously wanted second breakfast. Chef Anna's kitchen was a human-sized hug, lime zest, laughter, and the pungent threat of chili powder in unexpected places. Mark faced down a mortar and pestle like a gladiator. Lily wielded a spatula like a paintbrush. Ben staged a guacamole coup. Sarah ruled as sous chef and story collector. They left stuffed, flowery, and accidentally expert in mole. Next up, Mateo's legendary canopy zip line. Mark screamed like a caffeinated eagle. Lily conquered her mid-air fear with a victory squeal. Sarah, in a bold act of matriarchal slapstick, slid backwards off the platform, refusing, yet again, to stick to the script. Ben, attached to a helpful guide, declared himself a flying empanada, sowing a local legend among zipline staff. It rained, obviously, because comedy. But the drizzle made every leaf glisten. Adventure, they learned, always comes a little damp. They finished the day at Mateo's lookout, the town below blinking under the first star, Ben counting satellites while Mark explained the difference between Orion and that blinky one. Honoring the runner-ups, the Johnsons kayaked a river smooth as syrup and lost a street food contest to Ben's charred elote. Mark washed dishes. Not the worst fate. So, was the 30-second pitch the magic? Yes, and not because the best won. Because everyone pitched in, literally. Because Plan B was secretly brilliant Plan A. Because sometimes the breakdown stories are the ones that glue your family album together. Pro tips: keep it silly, time it like the Oscars stopwatch, and always ask a friendly stranger for the scenic detour. Mark can't wait to pitch Radiator Wrestling next year, but that's another story.